How to use VPN on any iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's jump straight into the process. You can use the VPN option given by a device itself. So open up your settings application. Here we go. Scroll down, open this option of general. Scroll down. Over here you will find this option of VPN and device management. Open it. Tap on the option VPN. Tap on add VPN configuration. Now from here you can easily fill up this information and add the VPN. Likewise, you got another option as well, that is you can download third-party application. For that, head towards the option App Store. Open this app. At the top you can see the search bar, just tap on it and type in your VPN. This VPN app appears, you can just tap on it and install it. After it is installed, tap on open. Accept the terms and conditions of this app. Just tap on accept and continue. Tap on continue. Now you are good to go. You can tap over here on this icon. Tap on allow. Enter phone's passcode. From here you can select the location. And now you are good to go. This is how you use VPN on any iPhone. Now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.